Hi guys, it's been a minute. So as you guys probably know, these past few weeks have not been the most fun for me in any which way. If you were unaware, my grandma passed away, not this past Saturday, the Saturday before. Today is currently February 3rd, and it was honestly one of the hardest things I've ever had to go through. She is and forever will be the biggest part of my heart. She's literally made me who I am today, and it was just really hard for me and my family to go through, obviously, but I know she wouldn't want me to be sad for long. It's obviously a part of life. Like, as life goes on, you're gonna lose people you love, and it sucks, but everything I do is to make her proud. She's honestly one of the most incredible women, and I love her forever. So I don't want to get emotional right now, but that's what I've been doing. This is the longest time I've gone without posting, so it's been kind of crazy. I know you guys have been flooding my DMs with so much love and support, and I appreciate you all so much for that. But on a lighter note, I am back and I have so many exciting videos coming up. You don't even know the half of it. Also, as I mentioned previously, I am going to be starting an upload schedule, see how it goes. As of right now, it's going to be Tuesdays and Fridays every week. Let's see how it goes. I have good faith in myself, but that's what's going on. Hello? Are you guys on the way? Okay, perfect. Just got off the phone with my girl Vera. Basically, today's video is me embracing the fact that I'm single. Valentine's Day is not about boyfriends, girlfriends. It's about love. Self-love, friends love, any type of love. And so tonight, I'm going to have a little Galentine's night with the girls. I also had another Galentine's night last week, which I will include at the end of this video. It's like a 2-in-1 combo Galentine's night type thing. Proud to say that I have never had a Valentine. Wait, that's a lie, actually. In 7th grade, I had a Valentine. I was scared to talk to him, but he did exist. If I had a boyfriend, I'd probably make him not get me anything for Valentine's Day. Like, I'm not a fan of affection. I can't, like, I don't know. But I'm just gonna take you guys along. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Hey, girls. Hey, buddy. Support your local small business. Yeah, what a good Samaritan. Okay, Miss Corinne. Okay, don't worry. Hold this carp on it.
Oh,
Play
hold
this
it.
Carcucci board.
Oh, hell no. Me and Corinne will not be partaking in your charcuterie board.
Play heaven or hell.
It's gonna go flying, so.
Girly.
That's like,
Oh, girly, you waited for a minute.
Confiscate her license.
Yeah. Vera thought this emoji meant like, oh, cutie. Like,
that's what I thought.
you know, like this one?
No,
that would be.
Hey, Porsche. Is that I can't even see.
It's so sick.
Thank you, I know I am. Thank you. Let's go. Tamara, don't say that.
Yes, just back up into us.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Okay, playboy.
Okay. TikTok queen, okay.
Back up target. By accident.
Valentine's Day. Oh, I forgot to change my shoes.
Yes.
Yes, we got the drip. What are we doing? Tell the camera what we're doing. Please,
We're all getting like.
Oh, really?
We're all getting Valentine's Day goodie bags for each other.
For who though?
Okay.
For each other, girl.
For our boyfriends.
We're making Valentine's Day goodie bags for each other, but we just can't. They're just in a different planet right now. I'm gonna propose a spending limit of $20. We don't go too crazy, but we don't go cheap. And we'll all get like candies and stuff, or you can get whatever you want. Oh my god. Guys, she's so clingy. Girly, you really scared me. I already explained to them what we're doing, so I need to explain to you.
Mailbox. I'm gonna get you a mailbox for your birthday. We have until 8:05.
I love you very much.
This is so cute. Wait a minute. Whoever I get, better get me one of these. I mean, whoever gets me. Okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna get what I would want for myself. Extra creamy.
Anyways.
So this gift is for me, but y'all can get yourself something. Whoa! Oh my goodness, y'all! What is this? It's okay.
Wait, what? They gave me two buckets of fries. Okay, where are we going?
We can eat downstairs, but
Where? In the lobby?
Yes, queen.
Come on out, cowgirl. Come on out. Always taking her sweets off.
okay, but
Okay, setting up. We're eating right now. I want to say she's going places, just not college. Also, sometimes when I'm vlogging, I forget.
this is literally personality pick for all of you.
Okay. We're doing like the TikTok trend where it's like the Halo song, and I was running and the giblet fell off my croc. And Corinne goes, did you regurgitate something?
Okay, action time. Ready, set, go.
Okay, yeah, we gotta run normally. Why are we running in slow motion? It's in slow mo for a reason.
Ready, set, go.
Who can say where the road goes?
Oh, girlie, please don't put your socks on. Take your socks, ready, set.
Girl.
Ketchup, girl. Mustard, come on. Shawnee, just don't be in it.
Not me practicing and the camera catching me.
Okay, so basically like she has a personality. I know it's like trying to like she does. We're little thieves.
I can't breathe.
What? I'm sorry, this is literally no.
I am paper towel, rock. I want it.
Okay, it's a headband.
I always saw.
Twinnies, they bet you they're.
I told you it looked like you.
No, she didn't just say turtle look like you.
Oh, let's trade. Everybody get on the table.
Problem? You were in the bathroom. We did not look through your bags at all.
No, like we literally didn't. Like we weren't like looking through it, making fun of the shirt can. We weren't doing any of it. This was very surprising to us.
POV, you're at my bar mitzvah and you seduce me.
It's just a POV. It's a
POV.
POV, you come into the principal's office.
Yeah.
We're gonna look at the dollar section, see if they have anything. Not looking too fresh. Guys, this is so cute. So debating if we should get this because we're gonna make a whole cake and stuff at her house. Should we get some? I feel like we should. Like these are sugar cookies. These are so cute. Oh my god, I've never had like chocolate dishwasher cookies. Dishwasher? You've never had these? No. These? They taste like dishwasher, but like in a good way. So the universe is listening. Basically, Jenny is gluten-free and we're trying to find a funfetti. I've never seen this in my life.
Oh my god.
And we found it. So we're getting gluten-free funfetti. Should we get, I feel like I have pink frosting at home.
You do?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I want to get this. It's like for myself. From me to me. I'll just put it there. So these are so cute. Can you get this for me, please? Thanks. I want to get one of those heart trays. You know how everybody had them? This isn't for cooking, but am I the only one who actually likes these? Do you like eating these?
Yeah.
Me too. Okay, good. Update. So we can't find a heart tray, but we're just gonna like make it and decorate it very Valentine's Day. Also Jenny has a boyfriend, but I'm her boyfriend today. Fine, don't worry about it. Got it. Girl, okay. So it is now currently 4:41 and we are going to drop off the stuff at her apartment. We'll do a little haul of what we got for you guys and then I have to go home until like 7 and then I'll be back for the fun.
And the night begins.
And the night is only 8:30. Don't message me. Okay. No apple tea. Okay, chef. She's preheating the oven. We got it all. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, so we're about to cook. We preheated the oven.
Alright.
So we're gonna mix it in here. So we need 1 cup of water, please.
Okay.
So we left the compost alone for like 5 seconds and it's starting to get a little clumpy. It's like, is it good? I don't know what is wrong. Okay, so we're gonna pop the patty into the oven. We got the cake here. Let's wait for it to like cool off so it doesn't like crumple when we put the frosting.
I'm dead. Why is it like a chunk? Oh wait, that's
cute.
It's
It's good. She's looking cute. Okay, her mom tasted it and it's approved, so we're gonna do a taste test. We're gonna get our Snapple. Ready, set. It's actually good.
All right, guys, I'm in my pajamas now. What just happened? Somebody calling me? Oh my God, my girl Corinne is calling me. What do you want? I'll talk to you guys in a second.
Just do what the search said.
You know what this reminds me of? Remember when we did the sleepover expectation versus reality?
Oh my God.
We were in like this type of stuff. And this was the reality.
I
Film
still
like a
look the
YouTube
same,
video.
so.
Wait, you kind of do. I'm kidding. So it's 11:20 now, and it's Thursday, and I have class tomorrow, so I'm gonna be hopping on my Zoom at 7 in the morning. I think for right now, we're gonna watch a movie. Bye, love bugs.